So you're a beginner retro gamer and you installed Batocera operating system to your Raspberry Pi. In this particular case, this is the Raspberry Pi 4. We installed it, but how do you install the files though? You can't just pull the card out, connect it to the PC, install the files. It just doesn't work that way. There has to be a way to install them. So what is one, or what are some ways to add them to the card for the operating system if you just can't manually put them yourself through the PC? So one of the ways is going to be on the network, whether that's wirelessly or through the Ethernet cable, which this one has. So if your Raspberry Pi 4 has an Ethernet connection, we can use that. But if your other Raspberry Pi 4, whether it's a compute module or whatever Raspberry Pi you might be using when it comes to Batocera, you may want to choose wirelessly. But if you're going to choose wirelessly, I would really recommend to be closer to the Wi-Fi. I may or may not have issues. Most likely, I will have issues that I'll drop connections and I have to keep manually reconnecting because for some reason, when I was trying another Linux-based operating system, the Laka is just every time we dropped connection, it didn't automatically reconnect again. It just completely just gave up on trying to connect. So I have to keep going back, checking like why can't I access my files because it keeps dropping the connection. So hopefully this won't be an issue. So I'm gonna move this out of the way a little bit. And we are going to connect wirelessly. So we're gonna need to be connected. Enable Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm gonna pause a little quick so I can put in my information. So we are now connected to the Wi-Fi. Hopefully it doesn't disconnect from us. So we're gonna go to my laptop here. I know it's not. Don't worry, that second capture card is coming up soon. We have our laptop here, and we go to the network, which is gonna refresh here. Hopefully, it should pop up. If it doesn't, if it's not popping up, we got disconnected from the network from the Raspberry Pi. It should say Batocera. But if it's not showing up, we might have been disconnected. Okay, so we did a restart of the Raspberry Pi and double check the network if it was connected. And when we did, the when we did this popped up. If you're not sure, again, do like a F5 or just press refresh right here in the arrow, and the Batocera should show up. And when you open it, you'll have a thing that says share. I know, sorry. It's terrible. Let me. Here. And then you go to your ROMs. And then you have all the directories already there for you for your particular ROM. And that is how easy it is to do it wirelessly. Or, you can use an Ethernet cable. Back over here. So yeah, that's just it should be as simple as that. It should be. Again, my main PC here will not want to connect, and I don't want to drop all the security measures that it has about connecting. But it should pop up that easy for your system, as long as the connection is good, as long as the Wi-Fi is good. But if you're having, even if you put the Wi-Fi in and it says that it's connected, but you are having some issues still after you put in the password and everything, you may want to just reset it. Do a reset right here and just reset the system. Or you can shut it down and then turn it back on. So far, to me, Recalbox is the number one way to go for a beginner without having to do all these issues of having to get other, having to sign up, do all these other install apps to connect and have to deal with wireless connections going wrong. And that is it. Again, this is Father McFoss. Thanks for watching.